What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. On this channel, I love to give you guys tons of cleaning hacks and tips. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily clean your windows and sliding glass doors like a pro. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes for me, using the sprays and a cloth is just a pain in the butt. So for this video, all you need is some Dawn dish soap and water. I'm just filling up a bucket of hot water with the Dawn dish soap. You will also need a squeegee. So literally all you have to do is wet your cloth in the bucket of soapy water and just give your window or your sliding glass door a good scrub. After you've wiped it, then all you have to do is take your squeegee and literally just squeegee it off. And you will not have to go back and wipe anything, and there's no smudge marks. It literally looks perfectly clean, which is why this is my favorite method. It's just so quick and easy, and when you look back at it, you don't see a bunch of smudge marks. This method is so easy, even your kids can get in on this action if they can reach it, of course. But this is a super easy way for my daughter to clean the windows, and it still looks perfect. And just like that, your windows are perfectly clean like a professional clean them. All right, guys, that is all that I have for you in this video. I hope that you have enjoyed this method. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe if you're new to my channel. And go ahead and watch the next video that YouTube has suggested for you. I will see you in the next one. Bye.